Let's learn how we can paste formulas from one cell to another. So far, we have copied formulas from one cell to another set of cells by just using the autofill or by just dragging them. But we can also copy a cell. For example, let me copy cell here, F2, right-click copy, or you can use the keyboard shortcut Control-C. And then I'm going to come here and then say paste. So as soon as I hit paste, you can see here that Excel has basically incremented the cell reference just like what happens when you drag. So just by autofill or by dragging the cell, you get the same effect as copying and pasting. And you can also cut and paste a cell which has a formula. So for example, let me just cut this from H2, and then if I paste here, the difference between copy and paste and cut and paste is copy is actually making a copy, and then the cell reference will be updated depending on whether you have the absolute cell reference or mixed cell reference or relative. But cutting and pasting means you just cut the value from one cell, it disappears from there, and then it's moved exactly the same in the new cell. So in here, it was F2 plus F2 times G2. You get the same exact thing here. So the same formula with the same arguments will be pasted in a new cell. And finally, if I just want to copy this, and if I want to paste the result of the calculation, but not the formula, then I can do paste special as values. I can choose this, or I can go here and do paste special, and again, paste values here. I can choose this. So what Excel did here is that it pasted the value, but if you look in the formula bar, the formula is not pasted. So only the value, which is the result of the calculation, was pasted.